powerful wave of bad weather has hit Italy in the past few hours, causing a number of weather disruptions, bringing the first white flakes to northern Italy and surrounding regions, as well as neighboring Austria. Heavy snowfall is disrupting travel in the Alps, while southern Germany, Austria, and the Czech Republic face red warnings for heavy rain. Austrian Railways has halted trains between Salzburg and Klagenfurt due to the snowfall and issued a nationwide call to postpone travel. Snowfall is as low as 700 meters, with up to 200 centimeters forecast at higher altitudes in the 4 days until Monday. Less than a week after parts of Switzerland were sweltering in the late summer heat, up to 45 centimeters of snow is forecast in eastern regions above 1,600 meters. At the Aiguille du Midi, which can be reached by France's highest cable car in the resort of Chamonix, temperatures dropped to minus 16 degrees Celsius on Friday. After the Mediterranean was scorched by a series of heat waves throughout the summer, a cold weather system is gripping much of Europe, with freezing temperatures in the UK and torrential rain in Bavaria. Climate change is increasing the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events, including severe storms and flooding. The Austrian Meteorological Agency has issued its highest warning for heavy rainfall in Vienna, Lower Austria, and Burgenland. In the capital, the downpour will be accompanied by wind gusts of up to 90 kilometers per hour, and the city is advising residents to avoid unnecessary travel. Authorities are also preparing for the risk of flooding along the Enns and Steyr rivers. Heavy precipitation falling over Central Europe on Friday is poised to shift toward Eastern Europe this weekend before slowly losing intensity and perhaps backing west toward the Mediterranean Sea to start next week. From the Adriatic Sea northward toward Austria and Poland, the first rounds of heavy precipitation have already swept through, with some flood alerts issued. Slovenia has been particularly hard hit so far, with numerous reports of 5 to 6 inches of rain and flooding. Austrian officials are urging people to avoid travel, including in the capital of Vienna. Italy and parts of Greece were also hit by severe flooding about a week ago. Saturated soils will make these areas prone to additional flooding with the incoming storm. The UK Met Office warned of extreme rainfall for Central and Southern Europe. Some rivers may experience 1-in-100-year events, it tweeted. French and Swiss disaster officials are warning of catastrophic flood risk for parts of Central Europe. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get the latest weather updates every day. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Have a nice day and be prepared for any weather conditions. See you in the next news.